The REVAi, known as G-Wiz in the United Kingdom, is a small micro-electric car, made by the Indian manufacturer Reva Electric Car Company between 2001 and 2012. By late 2013, Reva had sold about 4,600 vehicles worldwide, in 26 countries. Sales in the United Kingdom, its main market, ended by the end of 2011. Production ended in 2012 and the REVAi was replaced by the Mahindra E20. In many countries the REVAi does not meet the criteria to qualify as a highway-capable motor vehicle, and fits into other classes, such as neighborhood electric vehicle (NEV) in the United States and heavy quadricycle in Europe. The vehicle was originally known as simply the Reva, but was then improved and renamed the REVAi. Design REVAi. The REVAi is a small 3-door hatchback measuring 2.6 m 8 feet 6 in long, 1.3 m 4 feet 3 in wide and 1.5 m 4 feet 11 in high. The car can accommodate 2 adults in the front and 2 children in the rear. The back seats can be folded down to provide cargo space. The maximum passenger and cargo weight is 270 kilograms 600 pounds. The REVAi is intended for city trips and commuting, particularly in congested traffic. It is registered in Europe as a heavy quadricycle category L7. It may be exported to the United States, with a speed limiter that limits the speed to 25 miles per hour, for use as a neighborhood electric vehicle (NEV).